Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've actually posted something. Sorry for the background noises. Literally couldn't find anything, anywhere else quieter in my house because it's like chore day apparently, and I already did all my chores. So yeah, you might already see. So I'm gonna try and do this new, series where I just do a review on, airsoft guns. Yeah. As you can see, this is called the GF529. It's the first gun I've ever had. And yes, I've already used it, so I just want to show you what you come with. And yeah, I'm sorry, you can't see the whole thing. So yeah. So what you would get is a bag of BBs, but I already used all of them, so yeah. Then you would have a speed loader for your magazine. This is what the magazine looks like. Stick it at the bottom and then you just load. And then you have the actual gun itself. This is a cleaning / unjamming rod. You put this in the barrel to make sure it cleans just. And then, yeah, so I'll get up real quick and show you the full gun. So yeah, this is the full gun. It has one attachment rail for scopes or whatever scope you want or something. And this is for like a bipod or, you know, any, when you want. It also comes with a sling rod. I mean, not a sling rod, but like a sling thing so you can attach it and hold it on your back. Yeah, mine broke, so, and I didn't really like it anyways, so yeah. So what you do is, also, this is the safety and fire button. You can't really see, but down is safety and up is fire. What you do is, you take your mag, put your, sorry for the background noises, and then you put your mag in here, and then put it on fire, and then shoot wherever you want. On the box it says it's 425 FPS, which is actually pretty good. It has adjustable hop up. Yeah, so the hop up is, you can have it on normal or you can have it on or hop. So I usually keep it on normal. I only put it on hop if like it's pretty windy that day. And yeah, you're gonna have dual accessory rails. That's what I said earlier. And then yeah, I'm probably gonna be buying scope for this sooner or later. And yeah, now it's on to the firing test. Forgot to show you guys one more thing. I got the mag. You just press this button, and then yeah. So now I'm going to show you how to load it so you can fire. You obviously load. So you get your speed loader or whatever you have. You open this part, and then you just pour BBs in there so the BBs get in here. Then you press this button to release this. And this is how you push it in. So you get your mag and then you just push it in. I'm pretty sure it can hold up to either 15 or 13 BBs. I didn't fold it all the way because I'm not really going to be shooting it. I'm not really going outside. I'm just going to shoot it in my basement. So, at the box. So, here, I'll show you. Alright, so now I'm going to be shooting it. So my hop is at normal, and now I'm just going to be shooting. I cock it, obviously I wouldn't actually be going like this in a game. I obviously cock it back. Sorry for the noises, it's outside. I obviously keep the stock at my shoulder, but I'm just going to show you how to load it. And now, we're just going to shoot the box real quick because we're going to shoot it a couple times. I actually don't have a chrono thing, so I can't chrono it, but yeah, we're gonna shoot it. I've never shot inside before, so here we go. yeah. So it's a pretty nice shot. I'm just gonna do one more time because, you know, it's experiments. So it pretty much shot where I aimed last time. Also, it's because there wasn't any wind or anything, but outside there's obviously gonna be wind and other distractions, so you will have to be careful with that. So shoot one more time, and there we go. So thanks for watching this, and thank you for watching my review on the GF529 sniper rifle. Yeah, I forgot to mention the sniper rifle, my bad. Also, it's got a rubber stock, which is actually really nice. It's also made out of plastic, most of the part. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and like my new videos. All right, bye guys.